Season 12 of the reality competition series America's Got Talent was ordered on August 2, 2016 and premiered on NBC on Tuesday, May 30, 2017. Howie Mandel, Mel B, Heidi Klum and Simon Cowell returned as judges for their respective 8th, 5th and 2nd seasons. Supermodel and businesswoman Tyra Banks replaced Nick Cannon, who hosted for 8 seasons, making her the first female host of the show. The live shows returned to the Dolby Theatre in Los Angeles beginning August 15, 2017. The format of the show was the same as in Season 11, and Dunkin' Donuts sponsors the show for a 3rd consecutive season. A guest judge joined the panel for each episode of the Judge Cut round. Chris Hardwick, DJ Khaled, Laverne Cox and Seal. Darci Lynne Farmer was named the winner on the season finale, September 20, 2017. She was the 3rd ventriloquist, 3rd child and 3rd female to win a season of America's Got Talent. 10-year-old singer Angelica Hale placed 2nd, and Glow Light dance troupe Light Balance came in 3rd. Farmer won the show's prize of $1 million and a headlining performance in Las Vegas. Season changes. On October 4, 2016, Simon Cowell signed a contract to remain as a judge through 2019. Longtime host Nick Cannon announced, on February 13, 2017, that he would not return as host for Season 12. Soon after he made disparaging remarks about NBC in his 2017 Showtime comedy special, Stand Up, Don't Shoot. Cannon was still under contract to host, and NBC executives did not initially accept his resignation, but they ultimately searched for a new host. On March 12, 2017, NBC announced supermodel Tyra Banks as the host for this season. Preliminary auditions. The season had preliminary open call auditions in Chicago, Austin, Cleveland, Jacksonville, Philadelphia, Las Vegas, San Diego, New York City, Charleston, Memphis, and Los Angeles. As in years past, prospective contestants could also submit online auditions. Judges' auditions were taped in March at the Pasadena Civic Auditorium in Los Angeles. The premiere aired May 30, 2017. Golden Buzzer. The Golden Buzzer returned for its 4th consecutive season. Any act that received a Golden Buzzer during the preliminary auditions was sent directly to the live shows and did not compete in the Judge Cut round. In the first episode of preliminary auditions, Mel B pressed the Golden Buzzer for 12-year-old singing ventriloquist Darci Lynne Farmer. In subsequent episodes, Simon Cowell pressed it for 29-year-old deaf singer Mandy Harvey. Howie Mandel chose 16-year-old former blind singer Christian Gardino. Tyra Banks pressed it for Light Balance dance crew. And Heidi Klum chose 13-year-old singer Angelina Green. Each Judge Cut act that received a Golden Buzzer advanced to the live shows without any voting by the judges. During the Judge Cut round, guest judges Chris Hardwick pressed his Golden Buzzer for 9-year-old singer Angelica Hale. DJ Khaled pressed it for 21-year-old singer-songwriter and guitarist Chase Goring. Laverne Cox pressed it for 9-year-old singer Celine Tam. And Seal pressed it for soul singer Johnny Manuel. Death of Brandon Rogers. On June 11, 2017, contestant Brandon Rogers died in an automobile accident. Rogers was an American physician who specialized in family medicine. Earlier in 2017, after seeing YouTube videos of Rogers singing Boys II Men invited him to sing with them as a guest in 3 of the Las Vegas shows. His successful AGT audition aired on July 11, 2017. In his memory, he competed in the Judge Cut round, but his performance in that round was not televised. Judge Cuts. The judge cut round began on Tuesday, July 18, 2017. Like the previous season, one guest judge joined the judges' panel each show and was given one golden buzzer opportunity to send an act straight to the live shows. 20 acts were shown each week and 7 advanced, including the guest judge's golden buzzer choice. Guest judges were not given the red buzzer to use. Any act that received all 4 red buzzers was immediately eliminated from the competition. The 4 guest judges were Chris Hardwick, DJ Khaled, Laverne Cox, and Seal. After the judge cuts, 3 wildcards were chosen from eliminated acts to perform in the live shows. Final draft: Bello Knock and Oscar and Gaspar, who did not perform in the judge cut round. All 3 of these acts were eliminated in the quarterfinals. Week 1. Guest judge: Chris Hardwick. Date: July 18, 2017. Week 2. Guest judge: DJ Khaled. Date: July 25, 2017. As of 2017, this is the only Judge Cuts episode in the show's history in which an act with at least one X buzzer was nevertheless promoted to the live shows. This was also the only Judge Cuts episode of the season in which an act received 4 red buzzers. Week 3. Guest judge: Laverne Cox. Date: August 1, 2017. This was the first Judge Cuts episode in which no acts received a red buzzer from any of the judges. Week 4. Guest judge: Seal. Date: August 8, 2017. Footnotes: Quarterfinals. The quarterfinals were broadcast live from the Dolby Theatre in Los Angeles starting on August 15, 2017. They featured the 9 Golden Buzzer acts, the 24 other acts promoted during the Judge Cut round, and 3 wildcard acts chosen by the producers and judges. 12 acts performed each week, with results announced the following nights. Each week 7 acts were sent through to the semi-finals. Puddle's Pity Party and Mirror Image received an X from Cowell in the quarterfinals. Damien Aditya received X's by Mel B and Cowell in the second quarterfinals. Week 1. August 15 to 16. Guests: Grace VanderWaal. August 16. Carrot won after the judges split evenly in the judge's choice. Yoli Mayer was announced to have received more of America's votes than Just Jerk, and she advanced to the semi-finals. Week 2. August 22 to 23. Guests: Circus 1903. August 23. Carrot won after the judges split evenly in the judge's choice. Eric Jones was announced to have received more of America's votes than the Masqueraders, and he advanced to the semi-finals. Squared due to a technical issue. Light Balance's performance was based on their dress rehearsal. Cubed: another technical issue occurred when the sealed box Aditya was in didn't fall as planned. Week 3. August 29 to 30. Guests: Matt Franco, Piff the Magic Dragon, and John Dorenbos. August 30. Carrot won. Sarah added another dog named Loki in her act. Loki performed throughout the rest of the competition. Semi-finals. The live semi-finals started on September 5, 2017. They featured the 21 acts voted to the semi-finals, plus the judges' semi-final wildcard pick. Each week, 11 acts performed, 5 went through to the finals, and 6 were eliminated. No acts were buzzed. Week 1. September 5 to 6. Guests: The Clairvoyants. Carrot won. Chase Goring, Daniel Damon and Greater Works, and Mike Young were not initially announced as performing on Week 1 of semi-finals. Week 2. September 12 to 13. Carrot won. Merrick Hanna and Mandy Harvey were switched to perform on Week 2 although they were on the Week 1 promo. Squared: Klum's voting intention was not revealed. Finals. The final performances took place on September 19. followed by the final results show on September 20, 2017. No acts were buzzed. The season finale took place on September 20, 2017. During the finale results, the top 5 acts were revealed first. Then they were eliminated in reverse ranking from 5th place to 3rd place. Darci Lynne Farmer was announced the winner at the end of the finale. She won the $1 million prize and was set to headline at the PH showroom at the Las Vegas Planet Hollywood Resort and Casino on November 2. 3, 4 and 5, 2017. Finale. Guest performers in the finale included Kelly Clarkson, Shania Twain, James Arthur, Derek Hough and Terry Fator. Other celebrity appearances included Marlee Matlin. The following chart describes the acts, appearances and segments presented during the finale. Top 36 acts. Ratings. U.S. Nielsen ratings. Footnotes. Specials. Contestants who appeared on other seasons or competition shows. Damien Aditya appeared as a guest performer on Indonesia's Got Talent. German Cornejo and Gisela Galeazzi. German Cornejo Dance Company were the tango dancer winners of Que Viva, The Chosen in 2012. Ezequiel Lopez. German Cornejo Dance Company was one of the Malambo dancer winners of Que Viva, The Chosen in 2012. Canyon Shijabat was the runner-up of Mongolia's Got Talent in 2016. He appeared on Asia's Got Talent a few months after America's Got Talent and was given a golden buzzer by the hosts. Nick Uwers was the second houseguest evicted on Big Brother 15. Merrick Hanna auditioned for So You Think You Can Dance: The Next Generation. He made it into the top 40 at Dance Academy, but was eliminated before reaching the top 30. He has also appeared as a lip-sync battler on Nickelodeon's Lip Sync Battle Shorties. Artian, half of the dancing duo Artian and Paige, appeared as a lip-sync battler on Nickelodeon's Lip Sync Battle Shorties. Darci Lynne Farmer appeared on Little Big Shots in 2016 and on Little Big Shots UK TV series. In 2017, Billy and Emily England reached the semi-finals and Britain's Got Talent Series 9. In 2008, Emily was the runner-up on Big Brother UK Celebrity Hijack, competing under the name Amelia. Tony and Jordan, the French twins, appeared on Series 11 of La France et un Incroyable Talent, the French version of Got Talent. In 2016, Chase Goering appeared on The X Factor US Season 3. Christian Gardino appeared on Showtime at the Apollo in 2016. Light Balance reached the semi-finals and Britain's Got Talent Series 8. Junior and Emily appeared on Season 3 of America's Got Talent and were eliminated before the live shows. Shemika Charles appeared on Season 6 of America's Got Talent and was eliminated during Vegas week. Celine Tam appeared on Little Big Shots in 2016 and Britain's Got Talent Series 10, but dropped out due to a visa issue. Vinnie Grosso, the Naked Magician, appeared on Penn and Teller. Fool Us, performing the same routine as his AGT audition, successfully fooling the Magic Duo. The Criddlers participated in the third season and appeared on I Can Do That, performing with Sierra and Nicole Scherzinger during their time on the show. Eric Jones appeared on Penn and Teller. Fool Us, and he fooled Themisier. Kyle Eskin and Xavier Mortimer also appeared on Fool Us. Mortimer twice, failing to fool Penn and Teller. Xavier Mortimer auditioned in Season 10 and was eliminated at the judge cuts after receiving 4 buzzes. Pelican 212 appeared on Little Big Shots in 2016. Kyle Eskin appeared on Season 3, Episode 2 of Penn and Teller, Fool Us and Masters of Illusion. Colin Cloud appeared on Britain's Got Talent in 2012, but he did not make it to the live semi-finals. He also appeared on Season 1 of Penn and Teller, Fool Us but did not fool Penn and Teller. At both BGT and Penn and Teller, Fool Us, he performed under his real name, Colin MacLeod. Jackie Yu and his wife later appeared on Britain's Got Talent. Series 12. Official website. IMDb. America's Got Talent website.